quite early, it's 8:08 AM, but it's time for breakfast because we've got plans today. So today we're actually doing a cooking class here, which has been organised by Backstreet Academy, and we're down to the local markets now. Little shopping basket, and we just filled in what we're going to make today. We had such a good time with the cooking class. So that was all organised through like Backstreet Academy, which have different programs all throughout Southeast Asia, and it's just like ethical travel experience. So you can do like cooking classes, rice farming, learning how to make like local goods, whether that be handicrafts or type of food. Just check them out online, like there's endless options on various locations all around Southeast Asia. So yeah, this was their cooking class, and we'll do some more coming up as well, different experiences in different locations, so that's all good fun. But yeah, we'll come back now, just having a wee relax. I think we're going to head down to the pool later. I'm so full, we just need like a couple hours just to have a little nap, let the food go down. But that was amazing. We made 5 or 6 dishes. So we started with a stir fry, and then we did an appetizer and a soup, and then we did a curry and dessert. So I did, yeah, cashew nut tofu, being vegetarian, cashew nut tofu, a coconut soup, spring rolls, massaman curry, and mango sticky rice, and they all tasted amazing. And because I'm a fussy eater as well, they let me like leave out things I didn't like onion. I was like, no, and they would always substitute it with something else, so it was really good. Perfect if you're a fussy eater there. They do vegan and vegetarian options as well, so it's always something that I'm kind of worried about. Well, I've never done a cooking class before, is because I'm vegetarian, so I can't often cook a lot of the things, but they were able to substitute it very easily. But yeah, gonna have a wee break now and send off some emails. Morning guys, so just about to go to breakfast here before we move to another hostel which is on the other side of the old town, and then we'll start our day. So we've arrived here at our new hostel now. It's on the southern end of the old city, like just by the gates here on the moat, so it's not like in the city, it's on the outskirts, but it's still a good location. Now we're just waiting. We're going to do another tour today with Backstreet Academy, and so they do like local kind of experiences, ethical tours, and the first one up is Lacquer this morning. So if you've ever been here in Chiang Mai, if you've gone to Sunday markets or whatnot, one of the things a lot of people sell is these like gorgeous soap flowers, and it's just the detail on them is so intricate and it's crazy. So we're going to see and check out how they're made this morning. Hey. finished soap carving just down the road there. We've come here for lunch because our lacquerware workshop's in the same building, so it's got an hour to kill. So I got one cart. Jane just got one cart, so using a knife isn't the easiest, but it does the job, and the lady who's teaching us apple is very lovely. But yes, we've got two little takeaway roses, and our hands smell like soap. Made it to the hostel we're staying at. We checked in, we're in our room, but yeah, the lacquerware tour with Backstreet Academy was cool, so it was a soap carving, so yeah, it's a real good chance to like get to know the locals and the local handicrafts and all that. We've now got like our own take-home souvenirs that we made ourselves, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, so I'll show you our room here. So we're paying 980 baht, that's for 3 nights. It's got a little desk, little storage lockers, which is alright because I trust James. Don't need to worry about him. So we got a twin bed, another twin bed, 2 fans, and that is it. So we're sharing a bathroom. I think it's the next floor up, which is a bit of a hassle because it's not on the same floor. But yes, no aircon either, but being that there's no windows and it's concrete walls, it's actually really cool in here. So it's about 6 o'clock now and we're about to head out for dinner. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you'd like to. Otherwise we'll see you in the next one tomorrow where we go to some more Chiang Mai.